gitu.
Be alive.
Am I dreaming what's gonna happen?
It's not life-threatening
I'm like,
tomorrow.
I'm like, is this gonna happen? Or am I dreaming? So I feel like that kind of feeling. But I'm pretty much hopeful because I feel like I'm going to be in that room carrying the voice of God.
Waiting for the next one.
Okay.
So you.
Planet for our planet's future, for the children's future. And also, I talk with them a lot that about climate finance. You see, I'm coming here to urge him to tell the rich nations to pay for the climate, for the loss and damage to the poor vulnerable countries, for the victims of climate change, climate crisis. So it was very fun to see him. It was very good to see him. So I was really very excited today.
I know that you had a letter with you. What's the plot?
So in that letter, so I gave him a letter, you know. So in that letter, finance, as I've told you before. So I'm coming here to urge him so that he could tell the world leaders of the rich country nations for climate finance, for the loss and damage that they are responsible for. Because there are many countries who are vulnerable for the climate crisis today. So we are the victims right now, and they are responsible for it because thousands of years ago they started all these stuff, and they are the ones who are responsible for this. So they can't keep hiding, or they can't be always silent on these issues.